Hello there. We need to integrate this product of functions, and we'll use the substitution u equivalent to sine 2x add 3. Now this implies that du dx is equal to 2 cosine 2x, and now we can rewrite our product as 2x add 3 dx as now the integral. Now we have to substitute for cosine 2x. If we rearrange this, we'll have 1 over 2 du, which is equal to cosine 2x dx. And so for cosine 2x dx, it's half du, and sine 2x add 3 is u. Oh, I omitted something. That's squared, so it's squared. So now we can write a half u squared, because we're squaring u du. And this is what we are going to integrate. So we've had also a change of variable from dx to du. That's equivalent to in fact, we can go ahead and integrate it now. We have a half multiplied by 1 over 3 u add c, which is equal to 1 over 6. We substitute for u, which is 2x add 3, and it's q add the constant of integration. So there you have it. This substitution is key to being able to find a substitution and change the variable. We chose sine 2x add 3 because it's mainly because of sine 2x. If we differentiate this, we get 2 cos 2x, and we have a cos 2x here as one of the things we need to substitute for. So that's key to choosing your substitution. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.